Hello students, welcome. Dear students, today in our fraction chapter we are going to solve problem set number 20 and problem set number 21. These both problem sets are very simple, okay? Just pay attention. Now, in problem set number 20, the first question is add. Here the first fraction is 6 upon 11 plus 7 upon 11, okay? And second fraction 9 upon 12, 3 upon 10. If you see carefully, here denominator 11, 11. In the second fraction denominator 12, 12. Means denominators are same. And you know students, when denominators are same, then we are said that fractions are like fractions. Okay. So here very simple students, only what we have to do, we have to add the numerator only. Okay. And denominator we have to write as it is. How? See. First numerator 6 plus second fraction numerator is 7 upon 11. Okay. Here we get the answer 13 upon 11. Okay. Now same. Second example, 9 is the numerator plus 3 is the numerator of second fraction upon both denominator are 12. So we have to write 12. Okay. And 9 plus 3, that is 12 and 12. If you see a student in this answer, both numerator and denominator are same, 12, 12. Now there is one rule, okay, in your book, that is, if the numerator and denominator of a fraction, that the rule is on page number 27. If the numerator and denominator of a fractions are equal, the fraction is equal to 1. So here 12, 12, this fraction is equal to 1. So final answer 1. Students, when you are solving this problem set number 20, first question, and there is 9 example. Okay, if you found or if you got the final answer, the numerator and denominator same, if you solve the examples, okay, and if you get this one, numerator and denominators are same, then again according to the rule you have to give the equal sign and write 1. Okay, so answer always 1. Now if how this one come, just for information, if we divide 12 ones are 12, 12 to 12, then check, you get the answer 1. 12 ones are 12, that's why 1 is there. Okay, now students, we'll move to the second example, second and third. These are the word problem. Now second word problem, mother gave 3 upon 8 of one guava to Meena and 2 upon 8 of the guava to Geeta. Okay, mother gave one guava's 3 upon 8 part to Meena and that one guava's 2 upon 8 part to Geeta. Okay, now what part of the guava did she give them all together? Okay, so as I told you students, you have to always write the given things from the word problem. Okay, now see, Meena's part of guava is equal to 3 upon 8. Geeta's part of guava, that is 2 upon 8. And what we have to find? We have to find part of guava given all together. Okay, here see students, in word problems, all together, comes, add, these words are there. So always you have to do addition. Okay, so all together means we have to do the addition. 3 upon 8 plus 2 upon 8 is equal to 3 plus 2 upon 8 is equal to this answer students. You have to find. Okay, now the third example. In the third example, the girl of standard 5th cleaned 3 upon 4 of a field and the boys cleaned 1 upon 4. Okay, what part of the field was cleaned altogether? So there is a field, so 5th standard girls clean the 3rd, 4th part of the field and boys only 1 upon 4 part. Okay, lazy boys. Now what they ask, what part of the field was cleaned altogether? Okay, so now given things, girls clean part of a field 3 upon 4, boys clean part of field 1 upon 4, and we have to find part of field clean all together, means girls and void. So we have to add 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 is equal to this. We have to solve. Okay, I hope you understood this. Now we'll move to the next practice set, that is problem set, that is problem set number 21. Okay, in the problem set number 21, first question having 8 examples of subtraction, okay, and one word problem. So first we'll see the first example of subtract. Question number 1, that is subtract 11 upon 6 minus 7 upon 6. Same we have to do, because both are here, these are the like fractions. Why? Because denominators are same. Okay, same way we have to solve 11 minus 7, and denominator as it is we have to write. Okay, then here 4 upon 6. Okay, this way students you have to solve. Okay, all the 8 examples from this problem set number 21. Now here is one second word problem. Second example is 7 upon 10 of a wall is to be painted. There is a wall. Okay, so the part of wall we have means the painter should paint, that is 7 upon 10. But the painter name is Ramu. Ramu has painted 4 upon 10 of it. Means out of 7 upon 10 part, Ramu painted only 4 upon 10. How much more need to be painted? Okay, so how much part Ramu have to paint, that we have to find. Okay, now look here, part of wall to be painted is equal to 7 upon 10. Part painted by Ramu 4 upon 10, and part needs to be painted, that we have to find. How? We have to subtract 7 upon 10 minus 4 upon is equal to 7 minus 4 upon 10. Okay, so here we get the answer that you have to do for homework. Okay students, I hope you understood this. These are very simple examples. So students, problem set number 20 and 21, all examples you have to solve. Okay, and in the next video we will see addition and subtraction of unlike fraction. These are very simple. Okay, but unlike, there are little bit change, but I know you are very smart students, you will understand definitely. Okay, so in the next video we will see the addition and subtraction of unlike fraction. Still there students, take care, bye bye.